These are the Eye Jacket 3 lenses, and I will show you how to take out the lenses and reinstall them. So to take out the lens, you pull apart from the top and bottom part of the frame and push out with your thumbs. So you pull apart and push. So to reinstall them, you take one lens and this side of the lens you put in with this side of the frame. So you slightly and gently push it into the groove and then push the other sides of the lens. You should hear a click. Same with the other side. You put the right side or the left side of the lens into the left side of the frame and you gently slide it into the groove and you push in the other side.